bespoke bathrooms for our shower room. Tony was fantastic. Massive attention to detail, professional, on time every day, never let me down, which is a good thing nowadays. And both my husband and I, absolutely thrilled with his job.
Bathrooms are a big investment. It's a very small room, but it's very complex to do. You do a bathroom, I mean, even once every 10 years is probably, too soon, so you may be investing in a 15-year program. So there's a concern, obviously, when you're buying premium products. You need someone who can do a premium, job fixing them. And the bespoke bathroom team, fundamentally you get that reassurances and you get the results that you're really looking for. There was no rushing, there was total consultation, decisions were made jointly throughout, and I feel I've got the best result possible from the products I chose. So yeah, I'm completely happy.
Love working with Tony. He's actually worked for me, he's done 3 bathrooms for me. They've all been brilliant, great high quality, always been done on time, always come in on budget, and he really does go the extra mile. Tony's great on quoting, he's full of thoughts. If you want something but can't quite afford what you wanted, he'll come up with other ways of doing it. He takes really good pride in what he does, and he loves it when you give him something complicated to do. It's true, doesn't like boring things. Loves the herringbone.
I really wanted herringbone tiling, and Tony and the team at Bespoke Bathrooms did a fabulous job, turning an old-fashioned bathroom into a brand new wet room. Cleverly designed slanting floor for the shower and a beautiful finish. Egley, his partner, also deserves a mention, as they both went above and beyond. I was really thrilled with the results.
It's a great experience, it's enjoyable. Tony and his team are fabulous people, they're super hard working, but what you get out of it is something that is absolutely second to none.
Really, really good. Cannot recommend bespoke bathrooms more highly.